Wednesday, February 6th was National Signing Day for high school athletes all over the nation. MRH is proud to host the signing of Wes Williams and Khalid Higgins.
It brings me nothing but great pride and joy to be able to stand in front of everybody and watch these two commit to these two fine universities. And, ultimately, I think that says a lot more about football. It says an awful lot about their future.
I was excited about the signing taking place today because it's the start of my journey at the next level, and I'm just excited to see where it take me.
I chose Northwest Missouri State because I felt like it was a good place for me to fit in. When I went up there on my visit, it felt like a family-oriented place.
Khalid Higgins signed his letter of intent to play football at Tennessee Martin. Wes Williams signed his letter of intent to play football at Northwest Missouri State. MRH wishes these student athletes the best in their future endeavors.